Dear friends, today's topic is how to install and use URL render in Microsoft Edge. URL render is an extension of Microsoft Edge, and it helps us to easily browse through the web pages. It is an excellent extension which can be utilized in Microsoft Edge. Let us see. Just after opening this Microsoft Edge, go to search the web in the browser and type it as URL render. For Edge. Okay. Actually, this URL render Edge extension, it will display or render the website right inside the Google search results page itself. Right, and it's quite easy. Okay, just let us see how to do it. So just click on to this Microsoft.com add-ons. Click it. Second, after searching Microsoft Bing, just second option is Microsoft Edge add-ons URL render. Click it. So this is the URL render. It is compatible with your browser. Now click it, get it. Add URL render to Microsoft Edge. The render can read and change all your data on the website you visit. Add extension, click it. So wait a minute. It is checking and it will install. Okay. Get URL render. URL render is the ideal browser extension to increase your productivity while searching the web. Right? This is from url-render.com website. Okay. Click get URL render. You can now add extensions from the Chrome Web Store to Microsoft Edge. Okay. Oh, not required. So I'm closing it. Now let me open a new tab and see whether it is working or not. Okay. Let me. Okay, has access to this site. Okay, click it. After opening the particular page you want to render, when you go to the right side, after this link, there is an option called URL render. Has access to this site. Click it. You can now use the extension on every website for free. Default setting I'm just giving. Okay. Just wait. Click this, yes, instant rendering. Work everywhere. just go back. Just watch the. Let us try some other action. When you just glance through that, move the cursor, that will open. Okay, so it has blocked it. So here you can move the cursor and keep wherever you want, right? Either you can reduce it or increase it or extend it. Open a new browser. Just wait a minute. Nice application. See here in this. Super. Just only thing is that you need to just move the cursor. It will automatically open at the sides. Go to another site. Just wait. Nice. So see here, for this website, reuters.com, right? Before just opening this site, okay, see here, site is here along the side, add only. See, before opening this site, it will render there. For example, South Korea, US show differences over Japan's Fukushima. Just browse, not browse over it, just move the cursor on it. It will automatically open here. See here. So super technology. See here next. Browsing next. See here. Nice technology. Or one thing we'll do, we'll just reduce to one side. Okay. Then sorry. Okay. Nice. See here, now you can move here and read. So this URL render is an excellent extension which are available in Microsoft Edge. Try to utilize it. You will feel quite very easy in glancing through the website. No need to click and then pin it somewhere or open in a new tab. All these things are not required. See your next option. Pfizer agreed to supply additional COVID-19 vaccines. Just open it. Automatically it's getting opened. Okay. Nice. So excellent technology. Okay, and excellent extension of Microsoft Edge. Thank you. Hope you understood. Thank you.